everyone, so today I'm gonna be opening DIY Squishmallow blind bag, which is of $1, $10 and a giant $100 blind bag. So without wasting any time, let's get at the video. I made this blind bag a few days ago and I made all of them in 3 days, and today I'm now opening them and I'm really excited to open this one. This video is gonna be big, so hit the subscribe button and like button now. First, I got this Squishmallow blind bag of $1. The design is not that good. Let's check out the rarities. We got common, rare and legendary, and it is not rightly colored too, but forget about that and open this now. We get a little small package inside it. So let's check the reality. We got a common one. So we got not best rarity, but what we expect from $1 blind bag. So now let's open this up. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, we got a little cute chart. Sorry, but I don't really know about Squishmallow. I just made them because I want to. But I checked the name of the Squishmallow, and it's maybe Gordon the Grey Shark. But for $100 or $1 brand bag, this is really cute. So let's put it aside and open the $10 blind bag. This is I don't know, but I really like this one more than this because it's really simple and it feels cute, and I really like how I wrote it, and this is little similar to this with a question mark shot. So I'm just writing which one we will get. Now check the rarities. We got common, uncommon, rare, epic, legendary and special. So I hope that we get one of these three because they are really good. Now let's open it. This package is bigger than the last one that we opened. So let's check the rarity of this one now. We got a epic one. So let's see which Squishmallow I get in this one. So is the real time now? 1, 2, 3. We got Cam the cat in this one, and this is cute and very squishable. And I don't know if you're hearing sound rightly, but the sound of the squish is really good. I really like these blind bags. Now open the biggest, our $100 blind bag. This is our $100 blind bag, the giant Squishmallow blind bag, and the design of this is really cute. We got 2 Squishmallow in the front and one with a rainbow one and a coaster mask. So let's see which one we get. And it's also written what will you get. A big surprise is waiting for you. So let's check at the back. I think there are not really realities in this one, we will get one of these. So there's not a thing of being one of common, special, legendary. So I just hope I got this or this one because they're really looking very cute, and I don't want this one because I already got this one in my $10 blind bag. And this is also made by my super art Mariam 6106. Subscribe to her now. So I hope I get one of these. So let's open it. So we got a lot of gift bags in this one. That's total 6 in this and a small gift. So, and I think this is the main one because it's looking very different, and we get a main squishy in this one. So let's open this first. Open to see your luck. So let's check my luck. So let's see which one I get. Oh, I get the Wendy the Frog, the one I want, and it is bigger than the last ones I opened, and it's very cute. Let's open this one. Let's see what will I get. We got Wendy the Frog theme nails in this one. So like this. So let's open the other ones. Let's open this, the one in my hand. So we get Mushroom and Wendy in this one. See, look at this waist, so cute. So now let's open this one. We get 2 Wendy badges in this one. They are so cute, and they are also DIY. They are so shiny, cute. So let's open this one now. We get 2 Wendy themed cookies in this one. Wendy themed cookie squishies in this one. Look at this, their faces. So now one of the smallest, the gift bag that we might, maybe it's for free. So let's open a small gift that we got. We got a green bracelet. It is not looking like a Wendy theme bracelet because there are not any charms in it, but it is looking very cute. It's making this bracelet look very cute, and the pastel beans I like them very much. So This is the all stuff that we got from the $100 blind bag, or everything that I got from these 3 blind bags. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, like my video, and hit the bell icon now so you will get notification of all my videos. And bye bye.